Okay, this is the phone. You have to start and remove the SIM card tray first. Take out the SIM card tray, the one side. Okay, now there's 2 screws down here. You need to remove these 2 screws. So you take out these 2 screws here. The one side. Okay, now you need to start to open it. You use the pencil like this. Just put it inside here, down here, and try to open it like this. Be careful for the screen, the fingerprint cable. Okay, you open it slowly like this. Okay, the fingerprint cable is in this side. Okay, the SIM side area. So you just disconnect the fingerprint cable like this. Okay, then you put this cover one side. Okay, now you need to take out the screw. This screw, remove this screw here. Okay, put it one side, remove the panel on top. Okay, then now you remove the network cable. Make sure you take it out, just put it halfway like this, so you not spoil it, and remove this other screw under here, because the network cable passed through on top the screw, so you have to remove it so it will be easier for you, so you don't spoil the network cable. Then you remove this other screw here. Okay, now you need to take out this panel. Okay, remove it. There's a hook here. You have to just take the hook out from this one, because the hook is here. There's like clip to the motherboard side. Okay, you put this one side. Then you disconnect the battery. Okay, then disconnect the LCD. Okay, now you need to take out the battery. Remove this plastic so you can have access to take out the battery very easy. Okay, remove this one also. Okay, now you need to try to pull the battery like this. Okay, you open the battery. Okay, put it one side. Okay, now you disconnect the LCD cable. Okay, then you put out the heat machine at least for 10 to 15 minutes so you can take out the screen. If you don't have the heat machine, because the screen already cracked, you are coming to replace a new one, you can just use the pencil and force to remove it. After you heat it for 10 to 15 minutes, now you need to open the screen. Okay, you just open it. Okay, take out the LCD slowly. Okay, then the LCD is remove this wire mesh here for the speaker side. You need to put it back on the new LCD so that the speaker will not get dirty. You put it one side. Okay, now you need to clean all this old glue. So many glues here. You have to clean all the old glue right around the phone. Make sure you clean it perfect so that the new glue can fix nice. Okay, after you clean all the glue, so now you need to apply the new glue to fix the LCD. Okay, so you fix put the glue first right around like this. Make sure you put the glue right around the phone. Okay, don't put on top of the camera, don't put on top of the sensor, just put close to them. Okay, and make sure you put the glue right around the phone. Okay, after you put the glue right around the phone, okay, now it's time to fix the new LCD. Okay, but before you fix the new LCD, you make sure you fix this wire mesh first. Okay, the wire mesh to cover the speaker cable, make sure you fix it first so that the speaker will not get dirty and become low. Okay, so you fix this one first. Make sure you put it very nice like this, straight. Okay, make sure you fix it nice like this first. Okay, then now you have to remove the warranty sticker. Make sure you remove the warranty sticker so the LCD will fix properly. Okay, remove it just at the side here. Okay, then make sure you remove it very nice this way so the LCD will rest properly. Okay, now you need to fix the LCD. Make sure you pass the cable through this hole like this. Okay, then you put the LCD very straight. Okay, it's very straight like this. Okay, now you fix the connector. Make sure you have the connector. When you fix it, make sure you get the right position before you press it down. When you hear the sound like this, you already fixed properly. Okay, then you make way for the battery. You push the connector like this so the battery will rest properly. Okay, now you need to fix the battery. Make sure you fix the battery terminal first before you put the battery down, so you can get the right position for the battery. Okay. Okay. Okay, now you need to fix this cover to cover the battery terminal. Okay, you fix the cover first. You make sure you put it properly first before you fix the network cable. Okay. Fix it very nice. Okay, then you put the screw you take out from there. You put the screw from there. Make sure you put the screw, then you put this other screw also. Okay. Then you fix this one also. Close it. Okay, then you put the one screw there. Okay. Now you need to fix the back cover. Okay. You make sure you fix the fingerprint first before you close the back cover. Okay. Don't forget you have to fix the network cable. If you don't fix this network cable, the network will not come, will not become strong. So after you fix this metal, you have to fix the network cable. Fix it properly. Make sure you fix properly so your network becomes strong. Okay. Now you need to fix the cover. Make sure you fix the fingerprint cable before you close the cover. Make sure you fix it very nice. Get the right position first before you press it inside. Okay. Now you need to fix the cover. Okay. Just fix it like this so the volume key or the power button will not come out. Fix it from the side like this. Okay. Okay. Just close it like this, very nice. Now you need to put the two screws you take out from the down here. Make sure you put them so that the phone will close properly. Okay. Don't forget to put back the SIM tray. Okay. I need to put the rubber at least for 10 to 15 minutes so the screen will become fixed properly. The glue will dry. After the glue dry, then you take it out for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now you need to on the phone to test to see if the LCD is okay. Okay, the phone is on, the LCD is okay, I mean it's okay. Hello guys, if you liked my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.